welcome to Cooking with Deb, and today we're gonna make a marinade for our chicken. I'm gonna see how much chicken I have here. I don't know much actually, but these are little, so there's 1, 2 little pieces, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, I'm gonna put 6 in there, the rest I'm gonna throw away. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands real good. Same with chicken. And I use these refillable bags sometimes. And I just clean them real good. I soak them in hot soapy water and then I bleach them out. Clean them up. Place in bags. Okay, and we're going to take some Italian. Or maybe if I can open it. Italian dressing. And put in our bag. I'm going to put it in there. Not to coat it. And then we're going to put some thyme. Smash it up a little bit. Some basil. And some rosemary. Crush it all up. And then we're going to fill this and put it in the refrigerator. Maybe every once in a while flip it. Now this is like a Friday, and we're having this Sunday, so I'm just going to let it. You don't have to leave it sit that long, but I'm going to. Just make sure to get it nice and marinated. Usually, you can marinate for 20 minutes even and cook your food. But I'm leaving mine go longer. I'm trying to make sure it's all sealed up. So I can flip it around. Take the chicken up. Yeah, I got some air in there, but move it back and forth. And put it in there later on. Maybe do a flip in the refrigerator. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and have a wonderful day. Okay, it's steaming up out here, but we got our chicken on there with our garlic. We added salt and pepper. And we're just cooking it for like 5 minutes on one side and then flipping it to 5 minutes on the other side.
Mom,
and we'll be back.
the potato. That's what the woman made today.